Welcome to 2348 Tumbleweed Drive in Navarre, Florida. This 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home is over 2,000 square feet and it resides in the community of Holley by the Sea, which has wonderful amenities including a community pool, a playground. We do have a community gym as well as tennis courts and basketball courts with deeded sound access, as well as picnic and playground areas. So wonderful amenities here in this community. We are located 5 miles to Navarre Beach, 15 miles to Hurlburt Field, 2 miles to Hidden Creek Golf Course, and just 3 miles to Publix and other dining and shopping options. So a really wonderful location that we have here in Navarre, Florida. We do have an all brick exterior with security system on the exterior of the home. I believe there are 5 cameras total. So coming into the main foyer area here, we do have our formal dining room on the left-hand side. It's a very spacious dining room. They do have a table that seats 6 in here, but you could get a table that seats 10 in this space. So very spacious dining area. Into the living room, we do have vaulted ceilings here, giving for a very nice spacious feel with a wood-burning fireplace. All of the interior of the home has been painted, as well as all new light fixtures throughout. We do have blinds throughout, as well as a Nest doorbell. I cannot wait to show you this wonderful oasis backyard with their beautiful swimming pool that they have. Gorgeous kitchen. In the kitchen we have new quartz countertops, new appliances as well, with an electric cooktop and built-in microwave. All new hardware on the cabinetry that has been newly painted with under cabinet lighting. Nice size island in here, with a pantry and a breakfast nook right over here, encompassed with some bay windows, allowing for a lot of natural light to come through. So we have a split floor plan here, and we do have our primary suite located on the opposite side of the house of the other bedrooms, giving for lots of privacy. Very spacious primary suite. We do have a king-size bed in here, so plenty of room. And into the bathroom here, we do have a double vanity with quartz countertops. Again, all the light fixtures and hardwares and faucets have been updated. His and hers closets with a garden tub and a separate walk-in shower and a little privacy for the commode over there back in the corner. And a nice linen closet for some additional storage space as well. Just off the primary suite, we do have our garage entry and laundry room as well. We have some additional storage above, as you can see. All right. I'm going to take you over to the other side and show you the bedrooms before I show you this awesome bonus room and their backyard that's just dying for you to come and entertain your friends and family. So here we have our guest room, which is located on the front side of the house. This bedroom does have high ceilings and lots of ample natural light coming in through these front windows. This is the larger of the 3 additional bedrooms over here on this side of the house. And as you can see, they're utilizing this bedroom as a full workout space. So if you needed that extra room, you can totally get all your gym gear and Peloton and workout goods in here. Into our second full bathroom, we do have a new quartz vanity, as well as updated mirrors, fixtures, and hardware, and a shower tub combo in this bathroom. Hall linen closet for additional storage, and into our 3rd bedroom located on the back side of the house here. This house is very well maintained. There are no projects to do. They've done such a wonderful job with all the upgrades and things that they have added. A few other things, as far as in the ways of roofs, HVACs, everything has been updated in 2020 and 2021, including the water heater. The pool liner is brand new as well, so there are no projects to do in this house. So this is a true 4-bedroom because we do have this additional bonus space Wonderful spacious area encompassed with windows. Just tons of natural light in here. Perfect for a playroom or an additional living space. Whatever you may need this bonus room for, you have plenty of options. French doors opening to the open lanai here. So the driveway, all of the lanai around the pool area and walkways have been sealed and freshly painted. And there is a safety gate that goes around the pool as well if you needed that. And again, this pool liner is brand new. Very nice sized backyard we have here with a fully fenced backyard. We do have dual gate entries on both sides, and they are larger gate entries. They're the double gates, so you can get vehicles back here on either side of the house, which is a nice bonus to have. We have a 16 by 16 storage building, so tons of storage here. And they have gone ahead and added this wonderful fire pit out here with the new walkway. They have just done this. They've really just done so many wonderful things back here. Such an awesome hangout area. And you have the open lit backyard area as well as the shady part back here. So kind of have the best of both worlds. All right, guys, I will take you back inside, give you one last peek of the kitchen and main living area. This is a gorgeous home, again, located in Holley by the Sea. And back into our bonus room. Wonderful pool views from this room as well. So again, please let us know if you have any questions about this one. If you have anybody who'd like to see it, or if you'd like to set up a private showing, we would love to show you this gorgeous home. Again, this is 2348 Tumbleweed Drive, located in Navarre, Florida, and the beautiful community of Holley by the Sea.